Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to unlink account on Instagram. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. So let's get started right away. First is open up Instagram app, then go to your profile photo in the lower right corner of the screen. Now if you click on the name on the top there, you can see all your accounts that are logged in into this device. Now, if you have a specific account connected to another account, then you can have the multi-login Instagram or something like that feature, where if you log into one account, you will log into others as well. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to unlink them. So, go to the three lines on the upper right corner, then go to settings, then scroll all the way down here and you can see login information. Here's the options: add or switch accounts, log out this account, or you can log out all accounts. So if you go to switch accounts, you can choose here which account you want to log out. Then just hit, for example, this one. Just hit the log out. So, log out now. So, once you've done that, you can just click on next. Then, that's simply all you have to do. Then, that account is simply unlinked. And that's what you want. That's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know if you have questions in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe and like.